I was in a hotel room on the island of Zanzibar, right on the beach. But today I would move and explore the island further. I would also do some tricks by the pool, so you have to watch the whole video to see it. Hello everybody! Welcome to another video. I just woke up here in a hotel on this island, Zanzibar, as you might have already seen if you've seen my other videos. But welcome to another one. I got a bit sunburnt the other day, but today it's cloudy, so hopefully we don't get fried today. I'm gonna move hopefully from this hotel. This hotel chain here, they have a different hotel just down the road that's a bit better, and they have a huge swimming pool there, so we can do some tricks there hopefully. Right. I'm on my way to the breakfast here, and they have a really good breakfast buffet included in the price. It's $50 per night.
Welcome very much.
Just sat down here, and the breakfast is so good. I think that's my favorite part about the hotel here. I have some really nice potatoes and beans and sausage and some kind of tomatoes. Really good. Pack my bag, and I'll be taking something called Dala Dala. Here is the Dala Dala. I'm going in the Dala Dala now. What is your name? Menba. He's gonna drive to the next place. Most of the roads here in Zanzibar are quite bumpy actually. But it's really nice. It's so green here, a bunch of flowers everywhere. It was like I was going on a quick safari through some local roads and about 500 meters from the beach, or a bit more than a quarter of a mile. I have arrived to the next place here. Yeah, it's really nice. Let's go inside. Hello. I had arrived to Hotel Palumbo Kendwa, a 4-star resort, for about $50 per night, and also with breakfast included. So I'm back here. I was here swimming in the swimming pool recently. Now I'm back again to live here because it's a bit nicer than where I was, but it's the same price. And like a bunch of flowers and a huge swimming pool here, so that's nice. There was a really big swimming pool that I was excited to go swimming in, and also 4 stories, but not that many people staying in the hotel. Yeah, so this place is also $50 per night, and I met some people that stay here the other day, so that's why I came here to hang out with them a bit. The room was quite good, with a bed, a safe, desk, shower and toilet. So here we have the swimming pool. It's a huge swimming pool this side and also this side, and we have the hotel rooms over here. Quite nice. And I'm on my way over to the gym. Actually there's a gym, so that's perfect. And also here we can jump and do some pool tricks. Right here, do some pool tricks. Oh, let's go swimming. So I know I'm gonna fly my drone here also, so I'm gonna do it right away so we don't procrastinate. Procrastination, I think, is the worst thing in life, when you just think I'm gonna do it tomorrow. We got a lollipop after the gym. I had met some people here from all parts of the world, and we were hanging out by the big swimming pool. It was really relaxing, but I couldn't sit still for long, since there was a high arch to jump from. That was the pool trick of the day. I should have done something different since I've already done this trick, but there's not much you can do from this height. It's almost lunchtime also, so we'll be maybe taking a dala back into town and buying some food there, because I don't know if there's a restaurant here, maybe not. Now we're going in. Oh. We got on a taxi, or as they call it, dala, to go back down to the beach. It was a nice ride, and also really tall palm trees. We had arrived to the Kendwa beach again, and a couple of restaurants over here also on the beach. I think we're going back to where we were the other day. I was with some people I'd met, and we were back at my favorite part of Zanzibar. We had come back to a really big restaurant on the island, and also on the main beach called Kendwa Beach. Got chicken stir fry and some kind of whole grain rice, I think. Looks quite good, and this is apparently a really famous restaurant with a lot of different options. They have food from all over the world, and also a bunch of seafood. I was so excited for this really delicious food. You get a lot of food, and a total price of 20,000 shilling. It's about $10 for a yeah, pretty good meal.
They've infected my food.
Zanzibar had been nice so far. About $10 for a decent meal, and also $50 for a decent hotel. Super Mario with the coconut. Oh, let's cool off! The best part was the beach, and also the really turquoise water and all the palm trees. Hello, friend.
Yeah, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good.
Yeah, good.
You want to come enjoy?
Sorry?
You want to come enjoy?
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
No, we walk.
You walk?
We walk, yeah.
You can
in the water.
pass in
yeah.
there.
It's
Water
high.
is very high.
We try it. This is amazing, actually. Really great. There are a lot of secluded and nice beaches just a bit out of the hotel area, but they are building huge resorts everywhere is what it seems like. Another 10 years and the island will probably be really packed. The water is a bit more calm now. 2 hours later. So now I got my good camera again, and we're heading out with the dala to eat some dinner. That's the plan, at least. The nightlife on the island was kind of quiet, but every Saturday they have a full moon party with hundreds of people.
Change. And in the bad times I fear myself.
It's quite cool here at night time. We finished the food, and now it's time to take the dala and head back. The dala took us back. The next day, all the breakfasts I'd had on the island were quite similar, but so good. Okay, so here is the breakfast at this resort, like potato wedges and beans and baked tomatoes, and also salad, beans also, a lot of beans. It's the first time I'm trying the African coffee. It's kind of weak actually, not that strong. Pretty good though. I really loved my life here. I was going to the beach, to the gym, but I hadn't been drinking enough water, and I was constantly dehydrated. So my gains had not been all that good. But exercise is really good for your mind, and to have a good outlook on life.
This is Moses, he's a Maasai from Arusha. Arusha. Yeah. He has we have the thing for the lion. Yeah, lion. A machete. We're gonna do 1.5 flip from here the other day. As I said, I did a double flip from the arch here, but now it's time for 1.5 from the lower platform. That was the worst 1.5 flip I've ever done. I don't know what happened. I just opened up and went straight to my stomach. Oh, now we're gonna fry a bit. Sizzling. We're waiting for the sizzling to come. I needed some redemption after my first failed trick, so it was time again. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave it a thumbs up, post a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I want to reach 100,000 subscribers, so if you want to help out, all you have to do is click the red subscribe button below this video.